Hey everyone, my name is Arvin and I'm from FTC Team 5795, back to the drawing board. In today's video, I'm going to cover the basics of rendering in Fusion 360, a CAD software which we covered previously on our channel. Make sure to check out our other content on our channel, ranging from engineering crafts to team meeting blogs. Also, make sure to like and subscribe, and from there, let's begin. When we render an image in Fusion 360, we utilize the computer to make lifelike elements that incorporates real-life textures as well as lighting conditions. We do this in Fusion 360 by first switching our workspace from design to render. This will initiate the rendering process, as now we can incorporate lights as shown here into our CAD model. In order to start the process, we must position our object or model in the desired perspective or angle, like so. And then we must click on this icon above render, and from there a menu will pop up. You can adjust a variety of variables in your render, but for right now I'll stick with the default conditions as shown here. From there, all you have to do is to click render, and voila, the render will take approximately 5 minutes depending on the variables you put. But for right now, here's an image that I generated previously. As you can see, based on this image, clearly there is a shadow within this cube, as well as some depth effect and reflection. This is how we translate our CAD models into real-life images, and therefore we can get a glimpse of how the model might look like when you construct it physically. And yeah, that wraps our video. Stay tuned for more content on our channel, and make sure to like and subscribe this video for more future content.